Hi and welcome back to my channel Digital Toolcase. After a while I'm here to talk about WriterZen because there is an important update about this tool and I want to show you what is happening. Maybe you know, maybe you don't know, WriterZen is a very good tool. It's still my favorite tool when I want to search for keywords on Google using the all-in title parameter. I really like this way of finding low competition keywords, but WriterZen is way more than that. You can use it for your article research, your competition analysis, your keyword clustering, keyword research, and for generate your topical authority inside your blog, your site. You can use it to generate content, to optimize content. It's really a comprehensive tool. I highly suggest you to try it because I think you will like it. There is also an AI writing tool inside with GPT-3, so if you want, you can watch my previous videos about WriterZen. I will leave a link here in the video and below in the description. If you want, you can try WriterZen for 7 days for free, and then I will show you even prices and so on. But today I want to talk about a feature that was missing inside WriterZen and was, I think, one of the most awaited by the community, and it's the possibility to have teams now inside WriterZen. As you can see here in the official Facebook group, this new feature has been released. Finally, it's in the beta version. WriterZen team function, collaborate without frustrations, because now you can have collaborators and teams inside the WriterZen. I will show you very quickly how it works. This is the dashboard inside WriterZen. Here, as you can see, there's a workspace. I only have one, obviously, because I don't have a team, but by clicking here in this menu where you see seats and members, now you can add, if you want, your teams. And if you already have a WriterZen account, you can add 2 seats for free, other than the main one. So even if you have a lifetime deal, like in my case, I bought it on AppSumo when it was there. I talked about many times about this deal and that it was one of the best one you could find on AppSumo. Anyway, in my case, I have my main seat, and then I can, if I want, add 2 seats for free. Then, if you need to add more than 2, you can click here on buy more seats, and as you can see, every additional seat costs $23 monthly. Anyway, these 2 free seats are really a big gift from WriterZen team. You can also see your limits and usage for every single seat inside WriterZen. I only have mine here, but if you have a team, you will see here even your team members' usage and limits. So you can see, you can watch how they are using this platform. In the WriterZen help desk, you also have a user guide where you can learn how to use your workspaces inside WriterZen and how to add your team members, check your limit and usage, how you can buy more seats, how you can add team members, how you can remove members, remove seats, and so on. And this is a very, very big update, but it's not the only one. I found even this interesting thing. Now, if you have a subscription with WriterZen and maybe you are not using it right now, you can place on hold your account for 60 days maximum and don't pay, for example, for 2 months. If maybe you need to go on vacation or you know that in some periods of the year you will not use WriterZen, you can place your account on hold for 60 days and then you will start to pay again. This is another interesting update to save some money. If we take a look at the roadmap, this is the team members function. It says next update, but as I showed you, it has been released. So next thing that will come inside WriterZen will be WriterZen Academy to learn to use the platform even better. And then we have planned all these new features, competitive analysis, this will be really interesting, advanced insight generator, I'm really curious about this, keyword grouping as per intent, per search intent. This is really important when you do keyword research. Add in topic score and our own selected keywords in keywords tool, I think. In keywords to include list, really interesting, even this one, and add function content grader. This will be next batch of updates in WriterZen that it's now at his version 2.16.0. Let's talk about prices really quickly because I love this tool. I highly suggest you to try it out. You can try it for 7 days for free by clicking on the link you find here in the description. And as you can see, if you want to pay monthly, these are the standard plans. $39 monthly, $59 monthly, and $99 monthly. They differ from the number of keywords you can research every day, the credits you have monthly to search for all in title keywords. Obviously, the more you write, the more you need to search for keywords, the more of these credits you will need. The number of content documents, content brief you can generate every month, the AI writing words you need every month, and so on. You can check this pricing plan page to see which is the best plan for you. If you pay annually, you will save 30%, so you will pay $27 monthly, $41 monthly, and $69 monthly. As you can see, this is the most popular one. It's suitable for most people, I think. And then you have the add-ons. You can buy the AI assistant for $99 monthly to have unlimited words generation. I think it's still only for English, if I'm not wrong. Even here, if you pay annually, you can have a discount. Then you have your member seats now, as I said before, $23 monthly. And then you have your one-time credits for keyword credits, in this case, and for NLP credits. Anyway, if you don't really know how WriterZen works, again, I already made reviews and videos about this tool, so go and check my previous videos. I'm sure you will like the idea, you will like how this tool works. Anyway, now you have your team members functions inside the WriterZen. This is really a good news. This was a quick update about WriterZen. Here you can click and watch my entire WriterZen review. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe to my channel and see you soon in next one.